Okay, time for deviled eggs. Now, I need this bowl. And this is simple. This is easy. By hand, you'll just cut these in half. And you'll add that, and you'll add that. And that's pretty much it. But let me find a way to do this with the phone somewhere else. Okay, so I found a way to do it. What I'll do is take this egg and I'll just cut it right in half, just like that, long ways. Split it open, and I take the yellow out and set aside the egg white. For good deviled eggs, they're just regular deviled eggs. Nothing special. Just Miracle Whip over mayonnaise and mustard, really. And then you can sprinkle on the top of that paprika. And that's simple enough. And what you're left with is just a shell of the egg, like that. And next, you'll take the egg yellows and you'll add Miracle Whip. And I'll use a fork. I should use a spoon to get it out of this, but alright. And I'll just use just enough Miracle Whip to make it kind of thick and creamy in there. And then I'll use this fork and smash those yellows, smash them down really good, and mix this all up pretty good. You can use a different way, like other blenders, to make it really creamy. If you use a blender, or if you use a different tool, or if you sit here and do it for a really long time to whip it. But I kind of like mine to be, at least for right now, just smash it up. You might have little chunks and pieces that are a little bit, you can see it's got like chunks on it. That's not bad like that, but you can mix it until it's completely whipped. And it looks like fluffy and puffy like icing, if you want it that way. But really, you don't even need to add salt or pepper or anything to it. Just give it a good mix. Mixed up like that. And that mustard. And don't add a whole bunch of mustard. If you do, it'll be more tangy until it's just mustard. You want the Miracle Whip and the mustard to mix it kind of a tang and not overpowered with mustard flavor. Mix that. there's no chunks in there. And it'll be completely fluffy, but this is kind of how I like to make it. Because I like to have a little bit of that flavor, chunkiness. But not always. Sometimes I like to be really creamy and rippy too. And that's simple enough. Now what you'll do, very simply, I'm going to spoon. Move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. So you can have more of an area. And then what I do is I will take the egg like that. And fill it up. And pretty much you just scoop it into that. So you get a nice whip on the top, whipped up. I did 3 eggs, so that makes 6 of them. And what's left over before I fill this one last one is just enough to fill this last one. Just about. A little bit more because you want them to have a little flop on the top. Be a little bit fluffy, so you find the one that has the less fluff on the top of it. You can add a little there, and add a little on that one. And there you go. Then you can eat what's left in the spoon with the bowl. Secret for the topping. Smoked peppers that the top. And that's what they will look like. So that's one egg. Cut it in half, and it makes actually 2. And they're very filling. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and have a taste. That's good.